I have here a wireless HDMI transmitter kit. And here it is. You have your transmitter and you have your receiver. They pretty much look identical, but you can see on the front, one says TX for transmitter, one says RX for receiver, and then you have your HDMI right there, just kind of hidden in this, so you can pop that off on both sides. You're gonna plug in your receiver to your TV and your transmitter to your computer, your camera, whatever. It does come with little adapters, so if it's really hard to get to on your TV or it might stick out against the wall, you can plug this one in and then use the adapter right there. And depending on your camera or computer, they offer a micro HDMI to HDMI adapter and a HDMI to USB adapter to go out of your computer that way. And they include USB-C to USB-A cords to power this, so you'll have to plug these things in when you're using them. Although in my testing, using the transmitter, plugging it into my computer, it didn't need any extra power. It actually worked great just right through that. So that's even better. And it's super easy, plug and play. It gives you a 1080p 60 hertz resolution, and you can get a distance of 50 meters. There's no internet required. These actually just connect to each other. And you can do multi-device mirroring. On the little display screen, you can see what resolution and you can see the signal strength. And that's basically it. If you have a TV or projector and it's hard to get to that HDMI and you have like a game console and you want to connect to it wirelessly, or your phone or your computer, this is a great way to do that. So it works and I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.